Hey, morning, it's AJ. Welcome back to the Handyman process. In today's video, I'm going to do a video I haven't done in a while, kind of a day with me or a day in the life of a handyman. So I have two jobs lined up for today. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now. I have a 9 o'clock job and I think I have a 2 o'clock job. So I'll put some details up here for the jobs of what they are, kind of the prices associated with them. But I want to give you a little bit of insight into my routine. So I normally pack out every day for whatever job I have. Today's job in the morning, I have two fans. So what I do is I always have the ladders in the truck. Then I grab my electrical kit out of my bag. Then I basically put everything in a bucket there, and then I just go inside with my electrical kits. Got Wagos and all the stuff I need for electrical jobs. This thing is awesome. This is a little Ryobi battery powered drill. So for taking apart fans, I used to do it manually, but now I use this thing all the time, and it's fantastic. So I'll try to take some video as I get to the jobs, maybe set up some time lapses while I'm there so you kind of get a sense of what my jobs look like, how much I charge, how far I travel for them and whatnot. So stay tuned. Thanks. Well, I just sent the customer notification. You'll see I'll put a screenshot up here. I just use my CRM system, Arcade, just to open it up the schedule, figure out how far out I am, hit that button. You might also notice I'm wearing this neck thing. What this is it's an ice pack inside of this neck holder. I put it around my neck here in the summertime, and it just takes me down like 10 degrees. So I don't know about you guys, but I sweat my butt off. Even if I'm doing indoor jobs, I run really hot. It's gonna be like 100 degrees here today. So I put one of these on, and then I got stuff in the cab here. I got some stuff in the back. Once I pull up to the site, I'll kind of show you the next step of the process, so stay tuned. All right, so I just pulled up to the house and hit the start button on the job. So I'm gonna grab my tools, head on inside. I'll turn the camera on once I get in there. So this is what a typical handyman job looks like for me. In this case, it was replacing two porch ceiling fans. I like to take the new boxes, kind of put them side by side. This was great because I had a table to put everything on. I decided to assemble two at the same time. It would make it a little bit easier. These go in pretty straightforward. Most times this was a Hunter brand that was a little bit more tricky than usual, so it took me a little bit more time, about 2 hours in total. But once you get the hang of things, it went kind of smoothly. The nice thing that I use, you might see me in this video using a little electric screwdriver. That makes the process go by a lot quicker. All right, so this job is done. I got the fans in the back of the truck. This was a little bit more of a pain than I thought it was going to be. First of all, I didn't realize they were going to be outdoors. And second of all, these new Hunter fans, man, what a pain to put in. Anyway, when I park, I also put my street sign up on the front of my truck and on the back of my truck. So if anybody walking by kind of sees what's going on. So I'm going to go home, grab a bite to eat, maybe take a short nap, and then head to the second job.
A few moments later.
All right, so I'm heading out to job number two. Job number two is a little bit of trim repair. I might be able to fix it with some Bondo, or I might have to just pull the trim out and replace it. I'm not sure. So set up for that. I have a quick chop saw and some other stuff in there. And then I just swapped out. I got my trim pulling tool. Yeah, my trim pulling tool, some caulk, some Bondo, and some other stuff. So we'll see how the job goes. Just sent the homeowner a heads up that I'm about 30 minutes out. And same process. I'll hit the start job. I'll do the invoice and all that stuff. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm done with the second job. I didn't take much video of it. I was doing a trim repair. I was going to try to fix it with Bondo. That was a terrible mistake. I've done that before on smaller little fix-ups, but I called it quits on that. I ended up running to the hardware store, getting some new trim, and then putting it all in. Forgot to take an after picture, but everything turned out pretty good. Got paid $285 for that. I'll put some details in here. But after that, I got a truck full of trash, a cab full of tools, and a bank full of money. So that's kind of what it looks like for a day for me. So I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you next time.